Here's the 60-second script. Ever wonder if a chemical reaction actually goes to completion or just stops halfway? That answer lives in one number, the equilibrium constant. Calculating it by hand means juggling concentrations, exponents, and stoichiometry all at once. That's exactly what this calculator handles for you in seconds. Just enter your reactant and product concentrations, plug in the coefficients from your balanced equation, and hit calculate. It instantly gives you your K value and tells you whether your reaction favors products or reactants. Let's say you're working with nitrogen and hydrogen forming ammonia. Enter the molar concentrations, 0.5, 0.8, and 0.3, with their coefficients, and the calculator spits out your equilibrium constant immediately. No formula hunting, no manual math. Whether you're a student prepping for an exam or a chemist checking your work, this tool saves you real time. Try the free equilibrium constant calculator right now. Link is in the description.